Visit sayorite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sayorite. In this video, we're going to use the IMAR Yacht Soap Concentrate to not clean a boat, but instead an RV. This is an Airstream Argosy. We're going to show you how it works. The first thing we want to do is we want to rinse off our surface and make sure that it's cool before we apply the Yacht Soap Concentrate. This is a gallon of water, and we put about 3 ounces of the IMAR Yacht Soap Concentrate in the bucket, and then we'll swish it around until it becomes sudsy. So you can see there's quite a bit of dirt here. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah, it took it right off.
IMAR Yacht Soap Concentrate is a no-streak, no-spot soap formula that rinses clear, dries fast, and results in a highly polished appearance.
Once we have that surface clean, we'll rinse it off thoroughly with clean water. Now we're only cleaning this surface area just to show you how it works, but once you're done you want to dry it thoroughly with a chamois usually, but I don't have a chamois with me right now. You may not be able to tell, but this area is definitely cleaner than all the other areas, so we're going to continue using it for the entire RV.
Order IMAR Yacht Soap Concentrate from Sayorite today.